Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Another raw and vegan recipe today. It's really hot in Australia, so I'm going to make avocado mint ice cream bars. So let's get stuck in. Now the ingredients I'll be using today for the base are 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of pitted dates, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. For the filling, I'm going to use 1 avocado, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 85 grams of maple syrup, 1 banana, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 10 drops of peppermint oil. And for the topping, I have 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I have lined the square baking tin with baking paper. The first step is to make the base, and for that I'm going to mix together all of the base ingredients, so the pitted dates, almonds and cacao powder. And I'm going to pulse them together in the food processor until they stick together. Now I'm going to pour this mix into the baking pan and then push it into the base of it. Now the base is going into the fridge while I make the filling. For the filling, I have my bullet mixer here and I'm going to blend all of the filling ingredients together. So that's the avocado, banana, maple syrup, coconut oil, peppermint oil and vanilla extract. Now this filling is going on top of the base and then it's going back in the fridge. Now for the topping, I'm going to mix together the cacao powder, the coconut oil and the maple syrup until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm just going to pour this chocolate topping on top and then it goes into the freezer until it's set. And that's it, avocado mint ice cream bars, a nice icy treat for a hot summer's day. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you next week. Bye!